Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hi, Samantha. I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks. Today, I want to talk about festivals and holidays. I love learning about traditions and celebrating with family and friends. What do you think about festivals?
I really enjoy festivals. They make me feel happy and bring people together. I like to celebrate many holidays like Christmas, New Year's, and local festivals.
Me too. In my family, we have many special traditions during these holidays. For example, at Christmas, we decorate a tree and sing carols together.
That sounds lovely. In my family, we also have a big meal on Christmas. We share gifts and have a lot of fun. I think these traditions help us feel closer.
Yes, I agree. Besides Christmas, I also celebrate the New Year with fireworks and a big party. We make wishes for the new year and set goals for ourselves.
I like that. New Year's is exciting because you can start fresh and hope for a better future. I always write down my goals and try to work hard to achieve them.
That is a good idea. I also write my goals for the new year in a small notebook. It helps me stay positive and focused.
Do you celebrate any local festivals in your town, Samantha?
Yes, we have a local spring festival in our town. Every year, there is a parade, music, and traditional dances. People wear bright clothes, and there is a lot of food.
Wow, that sounds fun. In my city, we have a summer festival where we have outdoor concerts and food stalls. I love eating different kinds of food and watching live music.
I love food festivals too. They are a great chance to try new dishes. At the Spring Festival, I often taste local dishes like sticky rice and fresh fruits.
I enjoy trying new food. At our summer festival, I had a delicious grilled fish and fresh salad. The food was very tasty and healthy.
Festivals are not just about food, though. They are also about traditions and memories. I remember one Christmas when my family and I made cookies together. It was a fun day full of laughter.
I remember a New Year's celebration at my home. We stayed up late watching fireworks and talking about our dreams. It was a very warm and happy time.
Traditions like that make the holidays very special. They remind us of our culture and history. I also like to listen to traditional music during festivals.
Yes, music is important. During our local festivals, traditional songs play in the streets. They make the celebration feel very authentic.
Do you have any special activities that you like to do during holidays, Mark?
I do. I like to visit my relatives and share a meal with them during holidays. We also play board games and watch movies together.
That is wonderful. I enjoy visiting my grandparents during Tet. We eat special food, such as sticky rice and spring rolls, and we exchange small gifts.
Tet sounds very interesting. I have heard that many families have unique traditions during the Lunar New Year.
Yes, it is a very important holiday in my culture. We clean our home, wear new clothes, and visit friends and family. It is a time of renewal and hope.
I like the idea of starting fresh. In my family, we also have the tradition of making a big family dinner on Christmas. Everyone brings a dish, and we share stories from the past year.
That sounds very cozy and friendly. Sharing food and stories makes the holiday more meaningful.
I agree. Sometimes during festivals, I feel very proud of my culture. I love learning about old traditions and how they have changed over time.
Me too. I think festivals are a bridge between the past and the present. They help us remember our ancestors and the values they lived by.
Do you also celebrate any religious holidays?
Yes, I celebrate Easter with my family. We attend a church service in the morning, and then we have a festive lunch with lots of fun activities, like egg hunts.
I celebrate Easter too. It is a quiet and joyful day. I like to see the flowers bloom during spring.
Every holiday has its own beauty. I also enjoy smaller celebrations, like my birthday, which feels like a personal holiday.
Birthdays are special. I celebrate mine with a small party and a cake. It is a day when I feel loved and appreciated.
I love the feeling of being surrounded by family and friends on my birthday. It is one of the happiest times of the year.
Festivals and holidays give us many memories to cherish. They also teach us about kindness and sharing.
Yes, and they remind us to slow down and enjoy life. With busy work and study, holidays are a time to relax and have fun.
I agree. I always try to plan my time so that I can enjoy the holidays without stress.
That is very important. Do you ever travel during holidays?
Sometimes, yes. Last year, I traveled to a nearby town during the summer festival. I enjoyed the local culture and met many friendly people.
I love to travel during holidays. I visited an ancient town during Tet and learned a lot about traditional customs.
Traveling adds more color to the holidays. You see different ways people celebrate, and that makes you appreciate your own traditions more.
Exactly. I always come back with new ideas and recipes. At the Spring Festival, I learned a new way to cook sticky rice.
That is wonderful. I like exchanging recipes during festivals. It is a fun way to mix culture and food.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Mark. Talking about holidays makes me feel happy and excited about the future.
Thank you, Samantha. I enjoyed our conversation. It reminds me of all the good memories I have and makes me look forward to the next celebration.
I hope we can share more stories in the future. and maybe even celebrate a festival together.
That would be great, Samantha. I am sure we would have a lot of fun learning about each other's traditions.
I look forward to that. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the next holiday.
You too, Samantha. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mark.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.